guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a knowledge sharing sort of a video where I'm going to talk about how to choose a right red lipstick. So I got this request from Aparna and it really got me thinking that a lot of us girls are skeptical and kind of dicey of choosing the right red lipstick for yourself. So I just thought of picking this topic and actually help you girls to pick the right shade as per your skin tone. So there are two types of undertones to your skin. One is a cool undertone and one is a warm undertone. But then the question arises, how will you identify what undertone are you? So if you just do a wrist test, so for example, just see your wrist carefully in the natural daylight. So if you see that your veins are slightly green in color, then you are a warm undertone. And if your veins are bluish and kind of purplish in color, then you are a cool undertone. So if you see my hand really closely, so you see my veins are slightly green, so I am a warm undertone. If the colors are kind of mixing and you still can't identify it clearly, then you might be a neutral undertone as well. So that means that all the colors that are there will suit your skin tone. So there is another, some old school technique of identifying a skin tone. So if you wear a silver jewelry and if it is flattering on your skin, that means you're a cool undertone. And if you wear a gold jewelry and that you feel is more flattering on your skin tone, then again you're a warm undertone. So this is a small science that will help you understand your undertone, and basis that you'll be able to pick the right red for yourself. So just take your time and analyze the vein color, the jewelry and all of that, and then maybe you can actually see that what kind of undertone are you. And basis this can help you in a lot of makeup buys, because basis your skin tone, your foundation gets selected and the kind of colors you pick for yourself in terms of lipstick, that all depend on your undertone. So just if you are able to catch that, then basically all your makeup buys become really easy. Now let's see what kind of reds actually suit a cool undertone. So for a cool undertone, the best kind of red will be the one that is having more blue in it. So more blue based reds are the ones that will be suitable for a cool undertone. So all these blue based reds are more deeper in color, they're more crimson, they're very rich in their shade. So that kind of shade actually has a lot of blue in it and will suit a cool undertone. Here are a few examples of cool toned red, so that means they are blue based red. So one is this Faces Ultime Pro. This is in the shade Majestic Rose. This is a matte lip crayon and this is how it looks. So if you see, this kind of red has a lot of blue in it, and the kind of deep red color it has, it is because of that blue. So this kind of dark shades which has a lot of blue will suit a cool undertone. So if you see the crayon closely, it will reflect a dark blue shade in it. So these are the kind of colors that actually look good. So I'm not saying that that will not suit a warm undertone. People like me, I love this kind of color. I apply it on myself, so this actually suits me. But then these shades are more flattering on cool undertones. So the shades are suitable for all skin tones, all undertones, but it is the question that what is more flattering. So these kind of colors are more flattering on cool undertones. Another blue based red lipstick that I have is this Dose of Colors Extra Saucy Liquid Lipstick. So if you see the swatch right here, you will also feel that it is more deep and it is having a hint of blue in it. So this again will suit a cool undertone. So if you start matching all the colors that I'm going to show you, so you'll feel that all of these have this kind of similarity. Two more blue based reds in my kitty. So these are from Dose of Colors. One is Merlot. It is more like a pinkish red, and this is Fire Up. This is again like a deeper red with pink tones. So I have swatched all of them right here, so you can see the similarity. All of them have a hint of deep blue in it, so that's why they're a little darker, and that's why this is gonna suit a cool undertone. And so when you see these kind of colors, you know what suits your skin type, and that's when you can take a decision. Now moving on to reds for warm undertones. So undertones like me. So the reds that work for warm undertones are orange based reds. So all of the lipsticks that have a hint of orange or a hint of yellow in it, that means they are for the warm undertone. right? So I'm gonna show you a couple of lipsticks that I have that suit a warm undertone. Orange Paste Red, the first lipstick that I have is the PAC Sweet Sensation lip cream, which is more in the velvety texture, and this is in the shade Fan Jam. And if you see the bottle also, you'll know that this is kind of having a hint of orange in it. And I have swatched this over here, and you can see a stark difference in these two shades. So this is more of orangey hint and yellowy hint in its in the color. So that's when you know that this is more for a warm skin tone. Orange Paste Reds that I have from Dose of Colors are these two. This is Coral Crush and this is Strawberry Pop. So I have swatched this on the back of my hand. So this is Coral Crush and this is Strawberry Pop, and you can see this is having a lot of orange. So there's a huge identification of this is a warm color. But then these also have like a hint of orange in them. So these are good for your warmer skin tone. So you can start seeing the difference in the two very easily. Of an Orange Paste Red is this YSL lipstick. It is in the shade Tatouage Couture 9. So this is the shade, you can see it is slightly orange as well. So this is something that I've swatched here. So you can see this is like, it falls in the same family of oranges. So these are the swatches for cool, these are swatches for your warm. Now I'm going to talk about some neutral reds, which are the true reds that actually suit all kind of undertones. So if you're a warm undertone, if you're like a cool undertone, doesn't matter, this red will absolutely suit your skin. And this is something that is completely safe to buy as well, because this will suit all undertones. And these are my personal favorites as well. The one true red that I have in my kitty is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Heartbreaker. This is a beautiful red shade that actually suits all skin tones, be it more dusky skin tones, be it more fair skin tones. This is something that goes with all kind of Asian skin. So this is something that I highly recommend. It is super staying, and this is beautiful. This has got beautiful texture. It stays for long. It does not chap your lips. It is completely like my favorite. So this is something that I've swatched right here. So you will see that it does not fall into this family, or it is completely does not fall into this family. It is somewhere in between. It is very neutral, so you can go for this one in case you want to be safe with your choice and actually want to have a good red in your vanity. So this is something that I completely love. Another true red that I have is a Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Boss. This is a really beautiful shade. It is the texture of Smashbox of this particular lipstick is super amazing. It just stays on for so long. Even if I've swatched it a couple of times on my hand, this does not go anywhere. So this shade is perfect, the texture is perfect, the stay is perfect, and I just completely love the formula Smashbox has, and it is completely amazing. You should give it a try. I have swatched it right here, so you can see the shades here. So this is again a very beautiful neutral red that will suit all skin types, and texture is amazing. This is really good. So you can now see all the difference in between the neutral reds, your more deep cool reds, and your warm reds. So you can see that this family is slightly similar but has a lot of difference in it. So I hope this helps you choose the right red lipstick for yourself, and I hope this kind of method like shows you the swatches of all these kind of lipsticks and helps you choose the right one for yourself. So yeah, so this is all about the lipstick that I had in different tones. So I hope you guys found it really useful, and yeah, so that's about it from my side. Now I'm going to apply my favorite red lipstick, because I've been like super bland on my face without a lipstick. So I'm going to apply my favorite Huda Beauty Heartbreaker on myself and show you guys how to apply this red lipstick, and that's it. Watch this video till the end as I show you guys swatches of the cool tone reds, the warm tone reds, and the neutral reds on my face. So I'll be swatching it on my lips so that you can get an idea of how these colors look on my skin.